Once you log in, you're prompted to the following page. This is your vendor dashboard. This is also where you're going to process your orders when you receive them, add products, stock, and then your store settings. Let's focus on products here. So you'd like to add a new product. Simply go up to New Product, click it. You must select a type. Is it beer, cider, wine, sake here? Clothing, which is swag, spirits. If you don't, this will error out and nobody will be able to purchase. Let's do cider. It must be available on a day today or previous. You can add all the information you want to here, etc. That's your storefront. You're going to go down here and you're going to hit create in the bottom. The next step, it brings you back to the same page. That means you've created the product. You add an image, simply click the button. You can use one image at this point. And you'll see it adds the image. Simply go to variants. You can create as many variants as you want based on that single product. So let's say we have it in 16-ounce singles. You go ahead and you put a price in. Let's make it $4. And now let's add a new variant because you also have it in 4-pack 16-ounce cans. Tall Boy 16-ounce package 4-pack pre-populates. Let's make this $15. And you have it in crowlers. Container, crowler, single, it populates. Let's make that 11. Product properties. You do not need to add the percent. You must add an ABV. IBU is optional. Style is optional, but this is how it gets indexed. You can also add all of this initial information. So let's just go ahead and say this state is going to be North Carolina. And then we update that. Brings you back to the beginning. Go back to product properties. Let's say you put a hop structure in there. So let's say hops, let's say Citra. Okay, you update that. Lastly, you must put product stock. Do not use the one with the image. This is your core variant. These are your sub-variants. If asked for stock location, you put stock location. If you don't do that, it will not process. Add a number. Let's say 5, 20, 20. Once you hit the plus button, you've created, and you've created. Now you have single, sake, 5 on hand, crowler. 4-packs, 20, sake, same with singles. You must do these order, and let's just show you one more time. So going back to products. Here's our new sake. If you were to edit that, you simply click on the edit button. You want to add more information? Go ahead. You must hit the update button on the bottom to save that. You want to change your image? Add another image and delete the previous, or just move it like this. You want to add or remove a new variant? Let's say we want to remove, we no longer have the crowlers. Simply delete, and it's done. Product stock, let's go here now. Notice there's only 2 sets of product stocks now. Let's say you feel like you want to add another 100. Simply go at 100. Now it's saved. Thanks. Please let us know if you have any questions.